Are you ready to get your own Cash App card or replace the one you have? In this quick guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to order a new Cash App card step by step so you can start using it right away. Stick with me until the end because I'll also share how to customize your card for free and keep your old card active while you wait for the new one. Cash App isn't just for sending and receiving money. It's a full-service app where you can transfer funds, save, invest in Bitcoin or stocks. And yes, order a debit card that works just like a bank card. Here's how to order one. First, open the Cash App and look for the Cash Card tab. If you've never ordered a card, you'll see a big Design and Order Card button. Tap that. If you already have a card but want a new one, maybe you lost it or want a different design, go to the same Cash Card screen, scroll down, and tap Design a New Card. Now, you'll see your options. Standard plastic cards, glow-in-the-dark, black or white, cost just $5 each. Metal cards are available for $50, though I recommend the plastic ones since they're cheaper and still customizable. And here's the fun part: customization. You can draw on your card, add emojis, resize or tilt them, and even toggle your cash tag on or off. Open up, all for free on standard cards. Once you've designed your perfect card, tap Order Card, confirm your shipping address, and choose your shipping method. And yes, there's a free shipping option. Then confirm your order using your cash balance. You'll get a confirmation, and your current card stays active until the new one arrives. You can even track the order status in-app to see when it's shipped and on the way. Once it arrives, just activate it in the app, and you're good to go, and that's it. Getting a new Cash App card is super easy, and customizing it makes it uniquely yours. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for my upcoming video, where I'll show you exactly how to activate and start using your new card.